This is going to be a quick example on how post construct works and how you can use it in your projects. So first off, we have here a basic application which runs a Spring application. This is going to use post construct and show you where you can customize your logic. So let's go ahead and add a debugger right here. And I'm going to go ahead and run my application. So we could see here, the debugger stops. We can look in the console log what exactly is happening. So right here, we can initialize our own custom logic. This occurs before the application even runs. You can see right here, this post construct runs right after the initialization of the JPA Entity Manager factory. We can use this to essentially auto-wire or inject dependencies. So we can go ahead and continue running this. We'll put a debugger at the end of the running of our application, and you can see that my application has finished running. So now let's go ahead and look at more practical examples of how to use post construct. This is an example that I picked up from Stack Overflow. I'm going to go ahead and link that in the description below. So here we have a list of factory interface. Essentially, what this is going to do, it's going to get a list of anything that implements the factory interface. So in our case, factory 1 and factory 2 implement the factory interface. So we'll get a list of these factory interfaces, and then with our post construct, we're going to go ahead and initialize this factory cache. Then this will allow us to later get the factory by that key. Let's go ahead and see this in action. I'm going to put a debugger right here for us to see what exactly is going on. So I'm going to run this test. And just like what we've seen before, post construct runs right after the initialization and before the app runs. We're going to see that it indeed has a list of our factories that implement the factory interface. Now, this loop's going to go ahead and create the cache. In order for us to retrieve it, we put the key here. There's the key, and we could say this is the data. It loops until every single factory in that interface has a key and value pair. So now, we can go back to our test and see exactly what's going on. So we created a new factory picker, then we got the factory based on the key, and there you go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like this type of content, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you want a specific video request, go ahead and comment below. All of these actions will really help me grow my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching. Bye now.